With only 210 examples made, you must be a highly regarded customer in Maranello to have a LaFerrari Aperta sitting in your garage. But if you were hoping to still get one, and didn't get the chance the first time around, a splendid example has come up for sale. The open-top version of the LaFerrari is available at the 7-Car Lounge in the Saudi Arabian capital of Riyadh, and has just 62 miles on the odometer. In other words, it's brand new and as factory fresh as you're ever going to find. Like the fixed-roof hypercar on which it's based, the Aperta is built around a 6.2-liter hybrid V12 powertrain kicking out 950 horsepower to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Only the Aperta version has an open cockpit, the first in the series to be built since the F50 from the mid-1990s. As with most Ferraris, you can bet that most LaFerrari Apertas to have left the factory in Maranello were done up in red. That makes this stormtrooper job even more unique, and potentially more desirable.